If you love organizational charts, color-coded calendars, and keeping managers sane, administration is your home. This is a massive group, mostly run by women, 78% in fact. Growth is strong and there's a high share of experienced staff. 27% are aged 55 and over. So like agriculture, this means massive replacement demand when they eventually retire. Importantly, over half of the people here hold a third level qualification. Routine tasks are disappearing, meaning you need advanced digital skills for complex admin and project support. No overall shortage is identified, but specialized areas like financial administration, like credit control, payroll, and freight forwarding are noted as difficult to fill. Job churn for these roles is generally high, ensuring a steady stream of openings. The key is having the digital skills necessary for modern organizational tasks, moving beyond simple typing and filing. Digitization and automation are your biggest rivals. Routine jobs like receptionists and simple secretarial tasks are declining as technology takes over. You must embrace continuous upskilling to handle the more advanced skills like digital documentation, compliance, and data management to remain relevant. If you are sharp, highly organized, and can master a complex spreadsheet, you will thrive. If not, the automated phone system might just replace you. Keep learning those digital tools.